Morning 7, welcome to your Monday ChristLight lesson. This is going to be an introductory lesson for you. I want you to be able to know how to use your workbook. Well, first off, where do you find your workbook? Your workbook is found in your white binder. If you open that up, you'll find a ChristLight book, and it's titled Learning to Know Jesus the Christ. It's got a fancy cover. It doesn't look quite like this. This is actually the first page inside of that workbook. Now, in your homework envelope, you should be able to find your ChristLight intro worksheet. There's got a whole bunch of check boxes and then some blanks that you need to fill in. So we're just going to work our way through that together, making sure you know how to use your workbook and making sure you get an A on your assignment. Now the first point says access the tutorial video on Google Classroom and watch to follow along. You're doing that right now. Then it says write your name on the outside cover, inside cover, and back of the workbook. So please do that now. Next, it says on the title page is the name of the workbook. What book of the Bible does this workbook focus on? This is Learning to Know Jesus the Christ, a Bible study on John's Gospel. So Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. John is the book of the Bible we're focusing on. Next, it says find the table of contents. How many lessons are in this book? So if I go to the table of contents, you can see that it tells you, here's the number of the lessons, so you can figure out how many lessons there are right there. And then it also tells you the page number to go for. If I want to go to lesson 8, I go to page 29. Okay, so make sure you write in the number of lessons that are in this book. Next, it says find lesson 1. What page is lesson 1 on? So here's lesson 1. Here it says lesson 1. It tells us the Bible verses we're going to be focusing on. But then at the bottom, it has a page number. Feel free to write that down right now. Now, as we move through this, we're going to start off talking about something in your life usually. Then we're going to look at a whole bunch of different questions. We're going to read through different verses from the Bible, and we're going to apply those to your life. And we're going to try to figure out, especially in this book, what can we learn about Jesus from these verses? So then our next bullet point, find each key point. How many key points are there for lesson 1? Well, the key points always have a key by them. So here is key point number 1. Here is key point number 2. And here at the bottom is key point number 3. So that's how many key points there are right there. Find the word today. Now after each key point, you're going to see a purple box. It's titled the word today. Basically, this is going to take what we talked about previously. We're going to apply that to our lives. So as you do this, if it's appropriate, you're going to want to answer those in full sentences. When we're done with this book, it'll take us about, I would say about 8 or 9 weeks to finish this workbook. Once you're done with that, you're going to send it to me, and I'm going to correct it and give you a big grade for it. So please make sure you are filling in all of these answers. You can fill these in with short answers, but when it comes to the word today box, use complete sentences when possible. So this one might not be so good for a complete sentence, but this one definitely would be a complete sentence style word today box. So make sure you do that. Remember, complete sentences have a capital letter at the beginning, period at the end, and a full idea in between those two things. Right? Good. And the last point on your ChristLight intro is, it says, each lesson ends with a summary question. This is to get you to put the key points in your own words. This should be answered in complete sentences. So for lesson number 1, it says, why is it so important to know Jesus? Now, if you were paying attention, you should be able to fill it in really easily because you really already filled it in when you wrote your key points before. Okay? So that's the end of your introduction to ChristLight. Now, hopefully you know how to use your workbooks. You know how to rock out when we start officially on Wednesday in our ChristLight workbooks. Learning to know about Jesus the Christ. Cool. See you soon.